Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I wanted to do a tutorial on the art of puppetry, and Chuck B. Chicken will be helping out. Yes, I'm here to help me out. Yes. Okay, Chuck B. Chicken, you can go down. Okay. So, the art of puppetry is you have to do lip syncing. You can go back up now. Thank you, announcer. Now, the art of the puppetry is you have to do the lip sync. Yes, this is lip syncing. That's right. You have to lip sync. Yes. Okay, you can go back down now. Okay. Now, for puppetry, you're gonna do what your puppet is doing, like he's coming up the stairs. Watch. Yes, that's an entrance. That's an entrance. Now, if you want to exit, you have to bounce back. Yes. And that's how it works. Let's do it again. And bounce back. And one more time. That's right. And go down. Okay. And there you go. And that is the art of puppetry. Thanks for watching.